In this video, I'm going to show you how I 3D print and finish my Chippendale chairs. So if you got this file from my shop, you might find this helpful as you make your own. The chair is printed in 3 parts and it clicks together. I've printed this with many different settings and this is the one I like the best. I angle it about 30 to 40 degrees and choose regular supports, not the tree supports. This ensures all the little bars are fully supported. This will take about 50 minutes to print. Seat cushion is easy, no supports, prints in about 13 minutes. I prefer to print the chair bottom sitting flat on the build plate, and I do use tree supports this time. It will take about 2 hours. The supports look very intimidating, but they do pop off pretty easily. Then some finishing work, clipping off supports, a little sanding. So you could be done here, but I painted the chair to look like bamboo. But this green chair and this white chair, these are how they came off the printer. So let's move on to the cushion. You could always leave it as it is, but I'm going to cover it with a very thin layer of batting and some fabric. Here's what I do, and it may not be how you would want to do it, but it works best for me. Glue the fabric. I use quick dry glue and it really does dry fast. So the trick is to wrap the corners so they're not too bulky. I actually snip the corners, then dab them with glue and it seals it up. Once that's done, I use this glue to attach it to the seat. I put glue all the way around up to the edge, then do the same on the seat. And then I let them dry until they're tacky. And then when you put it together, it really sticks. And done. Thanks for watching.